Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this video we're going to talk about 5G. So what is 5G? 5G is the fifth generation of mobile network designed to provide a faster and more reliable wireless communication than its predecessor, which is 4G. It is a new wireless technology that allows for faster data speeds, lower latency and a greater capacity for mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. So next we're moving on to when was 5G invented. So 5G technology was first introduced in 2019 with the initial rollout of 5G network in selected countries including the United States, South Korea and also China. However, the development of 5G technology began several years earlier, with the International Telecommunication Union, which is ITU, setting the standard for 5G network in 2015. So who invented 5G? Numerous companies and researchers have made significant contribution to 5G technology, including Huawei, Qualcomm, Nokia, Ericsson, Samsung and many others.
Who was the first company to use 5G? The first company to launch a 5G network commercially was the South Korean mobile network operator KT Corporation, which launched its 5G network in April 2019. The first 5G smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G, was also launched in South Korea around the same time. Since then, many other mobile network operators and technology companies have launched 5G networks and devices in various countries around the world. The usage of 5G in Malaysia. In Malaysia, 5G is currently being rolled out by various telecommunication companies with the support from the government. Telekom Malaysia, or TM, a key enabler of the digital Malaysia, has embraced the flag to become a human-centered telco, offering digital solutions to improve the quality of life for communities, businesses and the government. This holds the true for TM1's 5G initiative as well, which are geared towards the enterprise and public sector. By utilizing its expertise in next-generation digital service and smart solution and enabling 5G connectivity for different industry verticals, TM1 has a special role to play in opening up opportunities for its customers.
There are various reasons for the development of 5G technology. Firstly, the growing demand of high-speed internet and mobile data has been increased rapidly. 5G networks provide quicker download and upload rates, allowing customers to broadcast high-quality video and swiftly download huge files. Another reason of 5G innovation is that growing number of connected devices as the Internet of Things grows in popularity and demand more devices than before. One of the advantages of 5G technology is it has the potential to handle more devices at the same time. Another advantage of 5G is its ability to transform industries such as healthcare and transportation. 5G has the potential to alter how we live and work by supporting new technologies such as remote surgery and self-driving automobiles. However, there are several shortcomings linked with 5G technology. Building up 5G infrastructure is costly and may take some time before the technology is widely available. The source of concern is the possibility that 5G will interfere with other devices, such as weather forecasting equipment and weather satellites that use comparable frequencies.
The impact of 5G to an area is having smart cities, since 5G technology has the power to completely transform applications, enabling quicker and more effective data processing and improving urban sustainability, particularly when it comes to SDG 8, as it improves human performance and increased skills and education promotes inclusive growth. It also takes into account SDG 13, where 5G can help reduce greenhouse and gas emission by up to 15% by 2030 and make a 20% contribution towards US 2025 goals. The challenges that 5G faced historically is that the demand for high-frequency bands is increasing. Telecommunications companies must select frequency bands and adjust their 5G network and features accordingly, and lead to higher operational costs when providing top-tier 5G services with a limited spectrum range that must be purchased from governments via auction. Next is the 5G network must protect end-user privacy and security. To allow devices and cloud application servers to communicate securely, end-to-end encryption techniques have been developed. Decentralized 5G networks rely on cloud-based data storage, and resulting 5G operators unable to protect or control user data stored in the cloud.
So there are several differences between 4G and 5G, namely, 5G is a unified platform and more capable than 4G. Secondly, 5G uses spectrum better than 4G. Thirdly, 5G is faster than 4G. Fourthly, 5G has more capacity than 4G. And lastly, 5G has lower latency than 4G. 5G stands for the fifth generation of mobile communication standards, superseding 4G technologies. What it offers, 10 times higher speeds than what 4G can provide today, and up to gigabyte speeds for applications such as fixed wireless access, capability of supporting billions of connected devices at the same time, and real-time sensitive online application, for example, remote surgery. Substantial 5G rollout is expected to be around 2021 for two main reasons. The first reason is the spectrum to be used for 5G has not been determined yet by the authorities. The second reason, 5G compatible devices are not yet available locally. We will certainly make compatible devices / SIM cards available with the launch of our 5G network. Thank you.
The first future development for 5G technology is extended coverage. In the future, the use of 5G will continue to expand around the world. Moreover, we can predict that the cost of 5G technology will decline as it increases in demand. Last but not least, the development of 5G has integration with other technologies. For instance, 5G will be highly integrated with other emerging technologies such as AI, IoT, and blockchain. However, 5G technology also will be expected to decline in the future because of infrastructure costs. Cost of 5G can be a barrier to adoption, especially when they have limited resources. Next, 5G might conflict with other technologies in the future which are satellite internet and 6G. Lastly, regulatory issues. In the future, 5G may be hampered by regulatory barriers such as licensing requirements. 5G was built with the capability of enabling next-generation user experiences and delivering new services. It will expand the mobile ecosystem into new areas with high speed. 5G will have an impact on every industry, making safer transportation, remote healthcare, precision agriculture, and other possibilities a reality. We hope Malaysia will become the best telecom company to demonstrate a live 5G service. We are not just ready, but we are 5G ready.